What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Gala, which has pumped up just about 5% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at 0.01578 cents. And as you guys can see, over the last week or so it has been slowly and steadily gaining value. So we're going to be looking at, is this the point where Gala is going to start to recover and keep pumping up in value over the coming weeks and months, or is it temporary and is it going to drop back down in value? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at. What potential does Gala have for the rest of the year, bearing in mind we are now in Q4 of 2023? So is it going to pump? Is it going to crash? What is the best thing to do right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high and how low can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too good, with Bitcoin also dropping about over 3%. However, overall for the whole month, it is still up, nearing about $28,000 last night, but has since taken a slight dip. So going into the Coinbase website here, over the last hour it has dropped 3%, which is not too good. Over the last day, up 4%, as you guys can see. Since late last night until earlier today, it has been pumping in value all up until over the last hour or two, where it has taken a slight dip. Over the week, overall a massive 20% up, guys. So overall over the last 7 days it has been performing very well. And over the month, however, it is down 5%, with major drops here earlier on in September, mid-September, and towards the end of September it started to recover a little bit, and right now going back up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 50%, making it $107 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, as more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala, which is here in purple at 0.01417 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.01581 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and in fact they are looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep, heading towards the negative direction, is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last hour or two. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Gala to have gone through an overall minimal drop in value, potentially heading just below 0.015 cents is what I'm expecting from Gala. However, nothing major. Is not going to be a major drop or a major crash or anything like that, and that doesn't mean is from this point onwards is going to start crashing. Of course not. It's likely to take a little bit of a pump over the next 2 to 3 hours before it starts to slowly drop down in value below 0.015 cents in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have a mixed signal. We got the blue line clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Gala over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Gala to be more or less trading around 0.016 cents in target. However, it is likely to drop down in value over the coming days before it slowly starts to gain value again towards the end of the week or towards the second half of the week, heading up to about 0.016 to 0.017 cents is what my predictions are at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking bullish, we are looking positive, and we are not looking too steep, meaning yes, it is realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, sorry, not 7 to 8 days, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late November 2023, we should essentially be trading around between 2 to 3 cents. I know that is quite of a major gap, but I would expect it to be trading closer to the 3 cents target towards the very end of the year. So slow and steady increases in value is what I'm expecting from Gala for the rest of the year. But again, of course, we are going to have dips here and there in between where it's likely to hit a red candle or even a red candle week. But the overall outcome towards the end of the year, over the next 3 months, shall I say, seems to be more on the positive side, heading up to around the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. And the only reason I'm expecting it to gain value is because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $30,000 over the coming weeks as well, potentially towards the end of October and heading upwards from there. But it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market. Any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there, and that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Gala over the long term. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And yes, we are still stuck in the red zone, and not just in the red zone, but as you guys can clearly see, we are in the lower part of the red zone and we've got a long way to go up to head into the green zone. We need to hit at least 21 cents, which I'm not expecting from Gala anytime soon, at least for the next couple of years anyway. So yes, for now we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter as long as we slowly and steadily gain value heading upwards. That should be great. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Gala, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on this crypto on a regular basis. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.